Yeah. Day 12, overcoming your fear.
Day 12, overcoming your fear. Today, you learn about how to diffuse the power fear has over you and trust that life is taking care of you. Look in
Yeah.
your mirror.
One second. So today we are going to talk about how to diffuse the power. अब ये डिफ्यूज क्या करना होता है? डिफ्यूज करना होता है जैसे कहीं आग लग गई है तो उसको हम बुझाते हैं। इसी तरह से जिस तरह से ये इसकी पावर हमारे ऊपर हावी हो रही है और फियर, उसको कैसे डिफ्यूज करना है, उसको कैसे दूर करना है, कैसे उसकी पावर को खत्म करना है या पावर को कम करना है. सो दिस इज व्हाट दिस चैप्टर इज गोइंग टू टीच अस. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. या
Look in your mirror. Take a deep breath and blow a kiss to that beautiful person who is looking back at you.
Okay,
You
pause.
are
Everybody whoever is on this, whoever is in the class right now, you all have mirrors next to you.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Just do
ma'am.
this. Look at yourself and blow a kiss to the person in the mirror. And say, I love you.
I love you.
Take your name and say, I love you.
Hey Almaz, I really love you.
Yes. Let's continue.
You are getting stronger each day. Thank you, mirror, for helping you release your past and reflect more positive thoughts your way. Life loves you, and so do I. Today, your mirror work is on an emotion that can block you from loving yourself, forgiving others, and having the happy life you deserve. This emotion is fear. Fear is rampant on the planet today in the form of war, murder, greed, and mistrust. Fear is a lack of trust in yourself. When you can overcome your fear, you will begin to trust life. You will begin to trust that life is taking care of you.
Okay, pause. If you just look at it, why is war happening? Why is war happening? There's a fear.
Yeah, fear of security.
हाँ, you feel insecure and कोई fear है कि ये मेरी बाउंड्री क्रॉस करके मेरे ऊपर हावी ना हो जाए या मेरे कंट्री को या मेरी टेरिटरी को ना ओवर पावर कर ले. That is why war is happening. And why are people killing each other? Because they're fearful of each other. Every human being is fearful of the other person if you start looking at it at a deeper level. ये लगता है ये मेरा कोई नुकसान ना कर दे, ये मुझे कुछ हानि ना पहुंचा दे, ये मुझे कहीं हर्ट ना कर दे. कोई ना कोई फियर होता है हमारे अंदर. Mistrust. Why is mistrust coming? If you don't trust somebody in your life, what is in the background? What is in the background when you don't trust somebody? It's fear. Fear of getting hurt. Fear of taken advantage of. This is all so rampant right now if you see it around you. सब जगह पे सब एक दूसरे से fearful है. And this fear is not letting us live the kind of life we want to live. ये हमारे खुशियों के आड़े आती है और हमें पता भी नहीं हम कहाँ कहाँ fearful है. So आज हम इस इमोशन के ऊपर काम करेंगे कि इस इमोशन को हम कैसे ओवरकम कर सकते हैं. Yeah, please continue.
Fear is rampant on the planet today in the form of war, murder, greed, and mistrust. Fear is a lack of trust in yourself. When you can overcome your fear, you will begin to trust life. You will begin to trust that life is taking care of you. In her international bestseller, Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway, Susan Jeffers wrote, if everybody feels fear when approaching something totally new in life, yet so many are out there doing it despite the fear, then we must conclude that fear is not the problem. She believed that the real issue is not the fear itself, but how we hold it. We can approach fear from a position of power or from a position of helplessness. The fact that we have the fear becomes irrelevant.
Yeah, pause. So जब हम कुछ नया करने लगते हैं तो फियर होता है ना, पता नहीं कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे, ये ठीक होगा कि नहीं होगा. Yet we do it. When you're going for an interview, you're fearful, you're scared. पता नहीं क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ लेंगे, मैं जवाब दे पाऊंगी कि नहीं दे पाऊंगी. But still you go for it, right? Still you take chance, you go and make an attempt. So what she says is that there are so many things which people are fearful of doing first time, but people still do it, and there are people who are doing it, and you must have done it many times in your life. It's not that you have not done it. It's not the fear which is bad or which is disempowering. What is actually coming in the way is how you're holding it. Are you holding it from the place of power, that it is propelling you to go forward and take an action? Or is it holding you back? वो आपके पैरों में बेड़ियां बन के आपको पीछे खींच रहा है, आपको रोक रहा है, या it is actually giving you a push, a power to go forward? So how are you holding this fear is what matters. Yeah, please read.
How much power do you give to your fears? When a fearful thought comes up, it is really just trying to protect you. When you become physically frightened, adrenaline pumps through your body to protect you from danger. And the same things happen with the fear you manufacture in your mind. I suggest that when you do your mirror work, you talk to your fear. You can say, I know you want to protect me. I appreciate that you want to help me. And I thank you. Acknowledge the fearful thought for wanting to take care of you. By observing your fears and addressing them.
Pause.
Yeah.
Okay, so what it says is that whenever there is a fear, it is just coming to protect you. That beware, this may happen. If you're walking into something knowing that this is possible, आप इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो और अब you're fearful, हो सकता है मैं नहीं क्लियर करूं, तो it will not give you so much of a shock if you don't clear it. So it is already protecting you from that. And when there is a situation like you're on the street, and so suddenly you see a dog barking or coming towards you, suddenly your body starts secreting this hormone which gives you fight or flight mode. Either you fight with the situation or you run away from that situation. So that is how it is protecting you. It is preparing you for that. The fear is only coming to protect you. Yeah. So आप उसको कितनी पावर दे रहे हो, fear को, आप fearful होके आप फियर के पीछे छुप रहे हो या आप फियर को अपनी पावर बनाकर एक्शन ले रहे हो. इट ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ यू आर होल्डिंग द इमोशन कॉल्ड फियर. या प्लीज कंटिन्यू. Yeah, Almas.
Sorry. Yeah. By observing your fears and addressing them during your mirror work, you will begin to recognize that you are not your fears. Think of your fears the way you view images on a movie screen. What you see on the screen is not really there. The moving pictures are just frames of celluloid that go by in a flash. Your fears will come and go just as rapidly unless you insist on holding on to them. Fear is only a limitation of your mind. You fear getting sick or becoming jobless or losing a loved one or having your partner leave you. Then fear becomes a defense mechanism. It would be much more powerful, however, to do your mirror work so that you can stop recreating fearful situations in your mind. I believe that we have a choice between love and fear.
1 second, pause. So what it is saying is that when you're doing your mirror work and you are viewing your fear as one scene of a movie. जब मूवी बनती है, एक सीन जोड़ के वो बनती है. And when it is moving, when we are watching a movie, that's why it's called movie, when it is moving, one particular scene is there only for a fraction of a second, then followed by another, then followed by another, then followed by another. If the fear which is coming in your mind, if you just let it go like that, it will not hamper you. But how strongly you want to hold on to it. कितनी बार ऐसे होता है ना, हम कुछ मूवी देखते हैं, उसमें हमने एक सीन देखा, सीन चला गया, उसके बाद बहुत सारे सीन आते गए, पिक्चर पूरी खत्म हो गई, बट वो एक सीन को हम पकड़ के बैठे, उसने उसके साथ ऐसा क्यों करा था. Even when you're watching a serial, you watch the whole serial, but there was one particular scene you're still holding on to, and I just can't figure it out. वो उसके साथ ऐसा क्यों करता है. वो एक पर्टिकुलर सीन आपने पकड़ लिया आपने, एंड यू आर एक्चुअली व्यूइंग द होल सीरियल फ्रॉम दैट एंगल. आप वहीं से देखना शुरू कर देते हो पूरे सीरियल को. सिमिलरली इन आवर लाइफ, fear is one such emotion which just comes and goes by. It doesn't stay. वो फ्लैश की तरह आता है और निकल जाता है. But we hold on to it, thinking about कल को मैं बीमार ना पड़ जाऊं, मेरा क्या होगा, मेरा फ्यूचर कैसे होगा, मेरी बेटी इतनी दूर रहती है, उसका काम का कुछ बन नहीं रहा है, and she's not even thinking about alternate, उसका क्या होगा. I mean, you're just holding on to something which just came as a flash. And then you're mulling over it. You're just holding on to it and उसके बारे में बार-बार बोल के, सोच के, that is how you're creating that kind of emotion more and more in your life. And what does law of attraction says? Whatever you're holding on to, whatever thought and feeling you're holding on to, that is what you're sending in the universe, and that is what you're attracting back in your life. And you will be attracting more of such emotions, situations which will give you similar emotions. So that is what we are doing. So if doing mirror work, if you just look at that fraction of a second of a fear and let it go, you will not be fearful. You will not be holding back yourself. You will be living a life which is full of joy and happiness. Yeah, that is what it is telling us. Hanji, please continue.
Yes. Fear is only a limitation of your mind. You fear getting sick or becoming jobless or losing a job or loved one or having your partner leave you. then fear becomes a defense mechanism. It would be much more powerful, however, to do your mirror work so that you can stop recreating fearful situations in your mind. I believe that we have a choice between love and fear. We experience fear of change, fear of not changing, fear of the future, fear of taking a chance. We fear intimacy and we fear being alone. We fear letting people know what we need and who we are. And we fear letting go of the past. But the mind cannot hold two opposing thoughts at once. And at the other end of the spectrum from fear is love. Love is the miracle worker we are all looking for. When you love yourself, you can take care of yourself. When you are frightened, remind yourself that it means you are not loving and trusting yourself. The belief that you are not good enough is often at the root of your fears. But when you love and approve of yourself completely, you can begin to overcome your fears.
Okay, pause. So it says, I believe that we have a chance between love and fear. We experience fear of change. हमको change से डर लगता है. Fear of not changing. एक तो लगता है कि change हो जाएगा कुछ जिंदगी में. अगर कुछ किसी चीज में कुछ आप नया करना चाह रहे हो तो आपको लगता है कि इसके बाद जिंदगी पता नहीं कैसी होगी. There's a fear of change, right? And then there is a fear of, and you fear taking a chance. कुछ नया करना चाह रहे हो पर आपको डर लग रहा है पता नहीं मैं इसमें सक्सेसफुल होंगी या नहीं होंगी, मैं इसको कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी, and then you are not taking a chance. You're fearful of taking a chance. Then some people are fearful of intimacy. उनको लगता है मैं किसी के बहुत करीब चली जाऊंगी या चला जाऊंगा तो उसको मेरे बारे में सब पता चल जाएगा और फिर वो मेरी that person will take advantage of me. And on the other hand, you feel fearful of staying alone. अगर मुझे सब छोड़ के चले गए तो, मैं अकेली रह गई तो, मैं अकेला रह गया तो, how will I manage? वो भी fear है. तो ये सब fears जो हैं, these fears are all created by us because we are just holding on to it. Yeah, now what it says is, so we are fearful of letting go of past. हमको past अपना इतना प्रिय लगता है ना, because we have been living it with it for so long. We don't want to let go of it. But can you read it from here? But the mind.
Yeah, but the mind cannot hold two opposing thoughts at once. And
okay, so it says on the spectrum of, if you see the spectrum, on one end is the fear, the other one is love. Now, if you is scared of, going very close to somebody, intimacy, and then you're also fearful of being alone, it can't be the same ना कि आपको प्यार भी चाहिए और आपको fear भी हो रहा है. यहाँ आप fearful हो सकते हो, यहाँ आपके पास प्यार हो सकता है. If you want love, then you have to let go of fear, because if there's fear, you will not be able to experience love. जैसे हम मैजिक में कहते हैं ना, नेगेटिव थॉट हो तो आप पॉजिटिव नहीं सोच सकते हो, और अगर आप पॉजिटिव थॉट को होल्ड कर रहे हो, there's no way you can have a negative thought, because एक टाइम पे एक ही थॉट रह सकता है. Similarly, एक टाइम पे एक ही इमोशन रह सकता है, either fear or love. Yeah. So if you know how to balance that, if you know how to let go of your fear and embrace love, that is how this mirror work is going to help us to develop that Hanji, please.
When you are frightened, remind yourself that it means you are not loving and trusting yourself.
Yeah, pause. So whenever you're fearful, whenever you're frightened, डर लग रहा है आपको किसी चीज का, इसका मतलब ये आप अपने आप को ट्रस्ट नहीं करते हो, आप अपने आप पे विश्वास नहीं रखते हो, आपको किसी चीज का डर इसीलिए लगता है कि आपको लगता है यू आर नॉट गुड इनफ, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू मैनेज दिस, आप इसको मैनेज नहीं कर पाओगे, आप इसको हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे सिचुएशन को. तो somewhere you're not trusting yourself. And where is it coming from? That I'm not good enough. That is at the base of it. Yeah, please continue.
The belief that you are not good enough is often at the root of your fears. But when you love and approve of yourself completely, you can begin to overcome your fears. Do everything you can to strengthen your heart, your body, and your mind. Turn to your mirror and the power within you. Let's affirm, all is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. I am safe. Love is my strength. Only love is real.
Yeah. So the only thing you have to do is, like Archana was saying yesterday, that this particular affirmation is like a Mahamantra. अगर इसको हम बार बार ये वाला एक affirmation भी हम पकड़ लेते हैं और उसको बार बार करते हैं, everything else is taken care of. If you start approving of yourself completely, when you love and approve of yourself, every time you see yourself in the mirror and say, I love you and I approve of you. When you start doing this, you will start building trust in yourself. Yeah. And what is it saying? Let us affirm. Just read this again, please.
Yes. Let's affirm. All is well. Everything is working out for my highest good. I am safe. Love is my strength. Only love is real.
Okay. All is well से कुछ याद आया सबको?
Yeah.
किसी को याद आया कुछ? Three Idiots. All is well. All is well. Yeah? Yeah. So all is well and I am safe. If you start believing this, whatever is happening for my highest good. मेरी सब कुछ मेरे अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है. And I am safe. And how will you feel that? When you start feeling love. And you start feeling that love is the power, superpower. जो सब चीजों को कंट्रोल कर सकती है, सब चीजों को ओवरकम कर सकती है. So when you start affirming that, when you start believing in that, because हम अपने beliefs पे काम करें ना, affirmations works on your beliefs. Yeah. So that is what you're supposed to do. Okay. So let's see what is the exercise for today.
Your day 12 mirror work exercise. 1. What is the greatest fear you are experiencing now? Write it on a post-it note and stick the note on the left side of your mirror. Acknowledge this fear. Tell it, I know you want to protect me. I appreciate that you want to help me. I thank you. Now I let you go. I release you and I am safe. Then take the sticky note, rip it up and toss it in the trash or flush it down the toilet. However, you get rid of the fear. The point is to release it. 2.
Okay,
look in the mirror.
One second. How many of you have seen Jab We Met? You know
Absolutely.
this flushing out wala scene?
Yeah.
Yes.
All of you remember that?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes. So that is what this is telling you to do. That write it down, whatever fear you have, and just put it on the left side of the mirror, and just say it in the mirror to yourself while reading that you are here to protect me. I understand that. And after that, whatever this book is asking you to do, just do that. Then tear it apart. उसको अच्छी तरह से फाड़ दो. जितना छोटा छोटा कर सकते हो उतना छोटा छोटा कर दो उसको. And then just flush it out. That actually helps you in flushing it out of your system. And it is symbolic. And our brain actually thinks in the form of pictures. And this is a picture you're giving your brain that you are actually destroying it. You're just removing it from your system. So there's a science behind it. It's not that it's just written like that. It's a science behind it, that you are giving a signal to your brain that this is what it is. It is not there now anymore, and I'm just flushing it out. Yeah, point number 2.
Point number 2, look in the mirror again and repeat these affirmations. I love and trust. Love and life take care of me. I am one with the power that created me. I am safe. All is well in my world.
Yeah. So you have to say this. एक दो बार बोलोगे तो आपको विश्वास होने लग जाएगा कि जो बोल रहे हो वो सच है. इनिशियली आपको लगेगा कि शायद पता नहीं मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. It's not making any sense. जैसे आपने मिरर वर्क जब शुरू किया था, when you were looking in your eyes and said I want to love you or I want to like you, तो ऐसे लग रहा था हम क्यों बोल रहे हैं, किससे बोल रहे हैं, क्यों बोल रहे हैं ये, because I don't mean it. But now slowly you have started making friends with the mirror, and you've started saying this to yourself more often, that you love yourself, and you have started believing it that you love yourself, and it would have started showing some difference in yourself. आपको अपना चेहरा और आपके अपने appearance में difference नजर आना शुरू हो गया होगा. How many of you have started noticing that you have started looking prettier?
Yes, I feel more.
Ma'am, I feel that.
Yeah. So once you start becoming friends with your mirror and you keep saying this, I love you, you will start appreciating yourself every day. अरे आज तो मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ. आज तो मेरा चेहरा कितना ग्लो कर रहा है. आज मेरे चेहरे आंखों में कितनी चमक है. You will start realizing it, how it is actually manifesting in your face. And slowly it will start manifesting in your whole body and your whole outlook towards yourself. So उसी तरह से आपने ये भी कहना है, और जब आप इसको कहना शुरू करोगे, आप 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार बोलोगे, तो वो सिंक इन होना शुरू हो जाएगा कि यस, कि जो मेरा हायर सेल्फ है, जो मेरा क्रिएटर है, मैं उससे कनेक्टेड हूँ और उसकी पावर मेरे पास है, बिकॉज आई एम पार्ट ऑफ इट. एंड उसकी पावर क्या है? लव. Yeah, and you start trusting yourself. Yeah, please read.
Point number 3. Now look in the mirror and observe your breathing. We often hold our breath when we are frightened. If you are feeling threatened or fearful, consciously breathe. Take a few deep breaths. Breathing opens the space inside you. That is your power. It straightens your spine, opens your chest, and gives your tender heart room to expand.
Yeah. So अगर जब आप डर जाते हैं तो आपने देखा है कि आपका जो ब्रीदिंग है वो एकदम से, जैसे होता है ना, एकदम से कम रुक जाती है, कम हो जाती है. इफ यू रिमेम्बर, अगर कोई बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस में होता है या घबराया हुआ होता है तो उसको बोलते हैं ना, ब्रीद, ना, लंबी सांस लो. जो पैनिक अटैक भी किसी को हो जाता है, अगर आपने देखा हो कभी किसी को पैनिक अटैक होते हुए, एंजाइटी का अटैक होते हुए, वो दैट पर्सन इज नॉट एबल टू ब्रीथ. एंड उसके पीछे क्या फियर ही तो होता है ना. एंजाइटी क्या है? फियर है. पैनिक क्या है? फियर है. वो फियर के टाइम पे जब वो जो भी फियरफुल होता है उसको सांस नहीं आ रही होती है, So if you are standing in front of the mirror and doing this exercise and you are fearful about something, there's a fear in you, the only thing you need to do is take a deep breath, start breathing deeply. And क्या होता है उससे? आपके lungs open up होते हैं, आपके heart expand होता है, and जो आपके अंदर वो power है, the power of love, आप उसको touch कर पाते हो, उसको आप, you are able to get in touch with that. So start taking deep breaths whenever you are anxious. आपको कभी भी डर लग रहा है या आपको फ्राइटेंड हो रहे हो या आपको fearful हो रहे हो या किसी चीज को लेके लग रहा है कि हाय इसका क्या होगा, just start taking deep breaths. Yeah, please continue.
Yeah. Point number 4. Continue breathing naturally and observing your breath. As you do this, repeat these affirmations. I love you, Almaz. I love you. I really love you. I trust life. Life gives me everything I need. There is nothing to fear. I am safe. All is well.
Yeah, ये all is well तो याद रखने ला.
Yes.
How magically it was working in that movie. It works in everybody's life. If you start doing this, all is well. I am safe. Yeah? When you start doing this, there's nothing to fear. I am safe. All is well. Yeah. And life is taking care of me. देखो ना, अगर हम जिंदगी में आए हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ हमारी जिंदगी में जो भी हो रहा है ना, वो हमें आगे तो बढ़ा ही रहा है ना. It's taking care of us. स्कूल में गए, कॉलेज में गए, जॉब मिली. It is actually taking us forward. And life is taking care of us. अगर हम कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाए हैं तो because of all these hurdles which we are holding on to, all these blocks which we are dismantling now, कि वो sunshine और वो हवा हमारी जिंदगी में आ पाए, जिसकी वजह से हम suffocate feel करते हैं, fearful feel करते हैं, right? So life is taking care of us. If you say life or you say God, you say universe, whatever you want to say, it is taking care of us. Yeah. And if you start feeling that you are safe and all is well, जब भी fear आए, जब भी आपको डर लगे, just put your hand on your heart, take a deep breath and just say, I am safe. All is well. And you will see the difference immediately. Yeah. आज के बाद practice करना, कभी भी ऐसे लगे, तो just do it. You will start feeling better. Just start taking deep breath. Keep your hand on your heart and say, I am safe. And all is well. Right? Yeah.
Yes.
Let's see what is the journaling exercise for today.
The power is within you. Your journaling exercise for day 12. 1. Write down your greatest fears under the following headings: family, health, career, relationships, and finances.
Okay, हमारी लाइफ के ना यही मेन एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, एरियाज हैं लाइफ के, जो हमारे लाइफ को इम्पैक्ट करते हैं. बाकी सब इसके नीचे ही आते हैं. They all come under these. But major जो है वो यही है: family, health, career, relationships, and finances. If you remember, in magic also, these were the areas which were covered in the book.
Yes.
Yeah, because these are the major areas of our life which impact our life or which actually are making our life alive. इन सबको मिला के ही हमारी जिंदगी बनती है ना. हमारी फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, हमारी हेल्थ, हमारा करियर, हमारे रिश्ते और हमारा मनी, all this put together is what the life is all about. तो आपको हर एरिया में लेके कोई भी फियर है, आपने उसको लिखना है. मान लो आपको फैमिली को लेके कोई फियर है, किसी को फियर है कि मेरा हस्बैंड मुझे छोड़ के ना चला जाए, या इसकी जिंदगी में कोई और ना आ जाए, या फिर आपको ये लगे कि मेरे बच्चे जो हैं पता नहीं मुझे बाद में पूछेंगे कि नहीं पूछेंगे। सो ये फैमिली से रिलेटेड है। या देन इट कम्स टू हेल्थ, पता नहीं मेरा बुढ़ापा कैसे कटेगा, पता नहीं मेरी हेल्थ की जो इश्यूज हैं ये कभी रिजॉल्व होंगे कि नहीं होंगे, समथिंग लाइक दैट। एंड देन कम्स करियर, मेरे पास अभी जॉब नहीं है, मैं आगे क्या करूंगा या मैं आगे क्या करूंगी, जैसी जॉब मैं चाह रही हूँ मुझे मिल नहीं रही है, अभी तो इतनी लंबी जिंदगी पड़ी है, कैसे जिंदगी कटेगी, वो करियर को लेके कोई फियर है। देन कम्स रिलेशनशिप्स, मान लो आपका कोई बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड है, आपके उसके साथ किसी बात पे अनबन हो गई है, या आपको लग रहा है कि मैंने उसको ऐसा बोल दिया कहीं उसको बुरा तो नहीं लग गया, मैंने अपने बॉस को इस चीज का ये रिप्लाई भेज दिया ऑन मैसेज, ऑन व्हाट्सएप और ऑन अ मेल, आई होप इट डजंट इम्पैक्ट मी। वो रिलेशनशिप को लेके। देन फाइनेंसेस को लेके, यार मेरे पास जितने पैसे मैं निकाल निकाल के खर्चे जा रही हूँ, मेरी बाकी मैं कल को क्या करूंगी, आई नीड टू हैव सम स्टेडी इनकम। वो फाइनेंसेस को लेके फेयर है ना। अगर मैं आज ये सारे अपने अपने सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट्स निकाल निकाल के खर्च रही हूँ, कल क्या होगा, कैसे करूंगी, वो फियर है। सो इस तरह से आपके लाइफ में हर एरिया में देखो क्या क्या फियर्स हैं। हो सकता है सब में कुछ कुछ हो सकता है किसी में ना भी हो, जरूरी नहीं कि सब में होगा ही होगा, बट आई मीन अगर आप देखोगे तो नॉर्मल जिंदगी में हर एक की जिंदगी में इन सब एरियाज में कोई ना कोई फियर होता है। So just write them down. Yeah, point number 2.
Point number 2. Then write one or more positive affirmations for each fear you listed. For example, if you wrote, I'm afraid I will get sick and won't be able to take care of myself, then an affirmation might be, I will always attract all the help I need.
Yeah, for example, जैसे मैं अकेली रहती हूँ और मुझे कभी कभी आता है फियर कि once I'm looking for a boy for Vanita and she gets married, I'll be all alone. And if something happens in the middle of the night to my health, और मुझे कौन होगा, मुझे कौन लेके जाएगा कहीं पे, या मुझे डॉक्टर के पास कौन लेके जाएगा, या who will look after me, तो वो फियर आता है कभी कभी। इट्स नॉट दैट इट इज देयर ऑल द टाइम, बट इट इज समवेयर देयर, क्योंकि वो सरफेस होता रहता है। सो इफ आई हैव दैट फियर एंड इफ आई से दैट आई विल ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट व्हाटएवर हेल्प आई नीड, जब भी मुझे चाहिए होगी कोई ना कोई कहीं से आ ही जाएगा, और आ जाता है, हमेशा से आ जाता है, हमेशा ही होता है, बट फिर भी वो फियर रहता है। सो इफ आई इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग फियरफुल, वो फियर जो है उसके आगे में एक एक अफर्मेशन अगर मैं लिखती चली जाऊंगी एंड आई स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट अफर्मेशन, आई विल बी much more at ease and I will be attracting good health, and if help needed I will be attracting the help also. तो बट वो फियर गायब हो जाएगा। फियर क्या है कि मैं अकेली रह जाऊंगी, मेरे को कौन देखेगा, और अगर ये मैं इसको अफर्म करती हूँ कि कोई ना कोई होगा मेरे पास उस टाइम पे, तो वो फियर गायब हो गया ना, क्योंकि फियर इज टेकन केयर ऑफ, फियर का सोल्यूशन आ गया, और वो सोल्यूशन को हमने एज अ अफर्मेशन लिखना है फॉर ईच एंड एवरी एरिया। आप एक अफर्मेशन बना लें जो उस एरिया के लिए काम करे, राइट। दिस इज व्हाट इज योर जर्नलिंग एक्सरसाइज। सो लेट्स लुक एट द हार्ट थॉट ऑफ द डे।
Your heart thought for day 12. I'm always perfectly protected. Remember, when a fearful thought comes up, it is just trying to protect you. Tell the fear, I appreciate that you want to help me. Follow that with an affirmation to address that particular fear. Acknowledge and thank the fear, but don't give it power or importance.
ओके, सो जब बहुत ज्यादा ये बीमारी फैल रही थी ना, तो एक बार के लिए फियर आया मुझे And the same very moment, I don't know, because I have a lot of faith in my Gurujis. So immediately I affirmed, I am protected. I am protected. I always used to say that. Every time that fear came, because there was so much happening around, second wave mein, so many people were falling sick and all. So every time I heard something, जैसे वो कहना fleeting fear आता है. It just comes for a fraction of a second. It came. And immediately I said, I am protected. God is protecting me. I am protected. And it helped me. It actually protected me because I believed that I am protected. So that fear it actually came to protect me, na? कि तुझे हो सकता है. So be careful. And I did not go with that fear. I just took the message. But I did not flow with it. प्रॉब्लम क्या होती है, हम फियर के साथ चल देते हैं, उस फियर से मैसेज नहीं लेते हैं. उस फियर से जो वो हमें एक मैसेज देने आया है, हमें एक तरह से वार्न करने आया है कि बी कॉशियस करने आया, वार्न नहीं करने आया, कॉशियस करने आया है. हम उसको ना पकड़ के हम फियर को पकड़ लेते हैं. And we get, sucked into it. We get consumed by that fear. The only thing is just acknowledge, okay, you are there to help me. I got the message. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. And then just affirm that you're protected. And you are always protected. तभी तो यहाँ तक पहुंच गए जिंदगी में, जहां भी हैं प्रोटेक्टेड तो है ना. सड़क पे रोज कितने एक्सीडेंट होते हैं, पर हम बचे हुए हैं ना, प्रोटेक्टेड है ना. So be grateful for that and just say that I am protected. Yeah, let's read the meditation part of it. आज की meditation थोड़ी सी लंबी है, so
Yes.
yeah, please start.
Your day 12 meditation. Creating a safe and loving world. Think of today and every day as a time of learning, a new beginning. It is an opportunity to change and grow, to open your consciousness to a new level and consider new ideas and new ways of thinking, to envision the world we dream of living in. Our vision helps to create the world. Come with me as we see ourselves and our planet in new and powerful ways. Envision a world where everyone has dignity, where everyone, no matter what race or nationality, feels empowered and secure. See children everywhere being treasured and valued as all child abuse disappears. See schools using their precious time to teach children important things like how to love themselves, how to have relationships, how to be parents, how to handle money and be secure financially. Then see all the sick people being made well again. This is becoming a thing of the past as doctors learn to keep people healthy and vital. See pain and suffering disappearing and hospitals being turned into apartment buildings. Envision all the homeless taken care of and jobs available for everyone who wants to work. See prisons building self-worth and self-esteem in guards and prisoners alike, releasing responsible citizens who love life. See churches removing sin and guilt from their teaching and supporting their members in expressing their divine magnificence and finding their highest good. See governments really caring about the people with justice and mercy available to all. See honesty and fairness returning to all businesses as greed becomes unknown. See men and women empowering one another to live in dignity as all acts of violence are eliminated. See pure water and nourishing food and clean air being the norm for all of us. Now, let's walk outside and feel the clean rain. And as it stops, clouds fade away and we see a beautiful rainbow as the sun comes out. Notice the clean air, smell its freshness, see sparkling water in streams and lakes. Notice the lush vegetation, dense forests, abundant flowers, and fruits and vegetables available to everyone. All over the world, see everyone enjoying peace and plenty with harmony among all people. As we lay down our arms and open our hearts, see judgment, criticism, and prejudice becoming old-fashioned and fading away. See borders crumbling, separation disappearing. See us all becoming one. Truly, brothers and sisters who care about one another. See the planet, our Mother Earth, healed and whole. Natural disasters dissipating as the earth breathes a sigh of relief and peace reigns. Think about other positive things you would like to see happening on this planet. As you continue to hold these ideas in your mind and envision them, you are helping to create this new, safe, and loving world.
Thank you so much, Almas, for reading this chapter
Welcome.
for us. Yes. Okay, so this meditation is all about creating a beautiful world, the kind of world we want. And as you all know, visualization is one of the most important tools in manifestation. So when you start envision this in meditation, you start healing the planet Earth in your own way. When everybody around us starts thinking like this, envisioning like this, we will definitely be able to heal this planet Earth and make this world a beautiful place, right? So, just charity begins at home, so similarly, this also begins from where you are, right? And uske liye, to overcome your fear, trust in yourself, building that trust in yourself, and believe that all is working out for you, for your goodness, and start feeling that you are safe and all is well. If you start doing this practice, slowly, when we become better person, better people, things around us will also start appearing that way, because there's nothing out there and there's no one out there. हम ही उसको मिरर कर रहे हैं, तो जैसा हमारे अंदर होगा वही हमें बाहर दिखाई देना शुरू हो जाएगा. So that is another way of creating that beautiful world. Yes. Anybody wants to say anything before we conclude? आज भी सारे लोग नहीं आए हैं. Vandana had already written कि उसके यहाँ dinner है and festivities चल रही हैं अभी, so that's fine. It's okay. That is also a very important part of our life, which brings a lot of joy and happiness and lots of love. This is one period when everybody is wishing everybody happiness and peace and prosperity. So it's a beautiful phase we are going through from the life. अगर आप देखो year देखो तो हम अपनी जिंदगी के बहुत अच्छे एक एरिया जो है ना वो क्रॉस कर रहे हैं, which is called this 5-6 days of festivities of Diwali. when everybody is just wishing every other person happy Diwali. आप किसी को जानते हो नहीं जानते हो आप सबको wish कर रहे होते हो. So that is also spreading love and joy and happiness to create a beautiful world. So ऐसे ही नहीं है ये वाली book इस period में शुरू हुई है. There are no coincidences. Believe that ये book इसीलिए इस period में शुरू हुई है. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
very
I want to
true.
say something, ma'am.
Yeah, Archana.
Ma'am, this hard thing I've tried, ma'am, before. These days I'm not doing, but I think it's a reminder to me. Ma'am, once I was really, really upset for something and I was really, really crying. Then I did this, all is well, all is well, all is well. Everything is working out for the highest good. And to this situation, only good has come and I am safe. Ma'am, I did for some time and I really, really felt better. Am I audible?
You are very, very clearly audible. So why have you stopped doing it? You start doing it. Start doing
yes,
it again.
ma'am. Ma'am, it होते ना structure में नहीं रहते तो भूल जाते हैं. Though I'm writing for my mom every day these lines only. Every day, but I don't do it for myself. But मेरे को करना है.
And I just have I'm just giving you a suggestion. When you're doing it for your mom also, are you doing it just because you have to do it and just write it every day, or really feel it and do it?
Ma'am, I write and then I say all these lines in the mirror.
So that's good.
So I feel it, ma'am.
Yeah.
And
If
ma'am,
you're doing it in the mirror, you will.
And ma'am, one thing I'm very happy, though this book is teaching us not to be fearful, many times fear comes to my mind. But then I say that I trust you, God. I trust you, Suraj Bhagwan. Today you have come and you have healed my mother.
Yeah. So that is enough.
And I'm very happy I'm very happy without even reading this chapter, I was doing this.
So that's what I'm saying. हम लोग बहुत कुछ ऐसा कर रहे होते हैं जो हमें नहीं पता होता कि ये if you do it in such a way that it is going to impact. पर हमें एक बचपन से हमने कहीं ना कहीं से ये सब सीखा है. अगर हमने नेगेटिव सीखा है तो हमने पॉजिटिव भी सीखा है.
Right.
It's not only negative. हमने पॉजिटिव भी सीखा है. But negative, outnumbers the positive. So that is why our life is the way it is, because हमारी self talk जो है वो negative ही है. But these affirmations, like I said, that every time people were talking about second wave, fear came. It's not that fear did not come, but every time I just said, I am protected. I am protected. And it gave me so much of, that power. Yes, I am protected. That trust that I am protected. So similarly, अभी भी जब मुझे कुछ fear आता है to do with my health or anything, some affirmations come automatically. क्योंकि वो कहीं ना कहीं subconscious में पड़ी हैं. हम उनको practice नहीं करते हैं. पर अगर हम उसको बार-बार रोज-रोज practice करेंगे, तो वो every time before the fear comes, we will be able to let go.
Yes,
जैसे
ma'am.
तुमने बोला कि तुम ये पहले करते थे, and you're not doing it now, but if you start doing it, like if you're saying this, I love and approve of you, every day you're doing it, it will start showing.
Yes.
But if you do it for a few days and then you forget about it, उसका असर भी तो उतने दिन रहेगा ना.
Right.
So this book is actually giving us such affirmations which we can incorporate in our daily life. And if you do it in front of the mirror, it gives extra power.
Yes.
तो उसको वो कहते हैं ना क्या रॉकेट लग जाता है, क्या लग जाता है उसको, बूस्ट कर देता है वो उसको, है ना,
पावर बूस्टर. हाँ.
तो वो पावर बूस्टर लग जाता है उसको. So that is what this
Ma'am,
book
like
is
you were
teaching.
sharing now that you were feeling that you were healthy and you were thankful. That time we were doing magic book with you also I did, with Annie also I did. So I was saying for everyone in the house, because मतलब उल्टी उल्टी खबरें आती रहती कि किसी के घर में ये हो गया, someone has expired because of COVID. And then I used to always, whenever I used to hear this kind of news, I used to say, thank you God, all my family members are healthy and happy.
Yes.
And I still thank you, everybody is healthy and happy.
Yeah, that's right.
And ma'am, this really helped me see everybody is absolutely fine.
Yeah, because that is the vibration you are sending in the universe. No?
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Yeah, Almasi wanted to say something.
No, I just wanted to say that even I, to some extent, I had overcome fear after reading the magic book, but still I have that in mind when I have to speak to people, you know, because I normally I do insurance from insurance this thing as well. So how do I start? Even as far as health is concerned, fitness is concerned. So that fear is always there in my mind. So now this chapter which we have read, I think this will definitely boost and we can remove that fear from our mind.
Yeah. So the only thing is when fear comes, just say thank you to it, let it go.
Yeah.
Don't get sucked into it and don't get consumed by it. The only thing is we get so attached to the fear that fear overpowers us. Fear is coming just to give us some protection, na? हमें कुछ message देने आ रहा है, बस.
Right.
Just take the message. That's all you need to do.
Right.
So that is the practice we need to do. Anybody else want to say anything? Varun, Meenu, Pramila. मीनू आज बिल्कुल भी नहीं बोली है.
ये जो fear वाली exercise है ना, it needs practice. एक दिन में तो नहीं होगा ये, but इसको
obviously नहीं होगा, obviously नहीं होगा. कुछ भी एक दिन में नहीं होगा भाई.
हाँ, exactly. सब चीजें बहुत सारी practice मांग रही है और अभी ना practice मेरी तो weak चल रही है.
That's okay. That's fine. जितना भी कर पा रहे हो उसके लिए be thankful.
एक ही affirmation याद हुई है मुझे. I love myself and I approve of myself. That I am keep doing.
कोई बात नहीं, वही करो. At least कुछ तो कर रहे हो.
कल बड़ी मजेदार बात हुई मैम. सुबह उठी 8 बजे, यार क्लास मिस हो गई. एक रिग्रेट की फीलिंग आई. 12-1 बजे जाके फोन देखा तो क्लास ही नहीं हुई. बड़ा मजा आया देख के.
Everything is working out for you. Say that. Everything is working out for me.
Yes.
So when you start saying this, everything starts working out for you. And I was watching this Oprah's एक ओपरा का मैं वीडियो देख रही थी. And she says, this is one affirmation I always do. That everything is, yeah, always, every time, everything is working out for me. So ऐसा ही कुछ, मतलब I don't know exactly यही था या कुछ और था, but something similar.
Similar.
Yeah. So जब आप ये बोलते हो ना तो सब कुछ आपके हिसाब से आपके लिए ही होना शुरू हो जाता है.
Exactly.
Because you start affirming that all the time. तो आपने 2-3 affirmations भी पकड़ ली ना इस सेशन के बाद,
तो भी जिंदगी बदल रही है.
और एक बार में करने से, जैसे मैजिक एक बार में करने से कितना हमने उसको अपने प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ में अप्लाई किया. अभी तक नहीं किया है हमने ना.
नहीं किया यार, किया है, काफी किया है.
नहीं, अभी भी उतना नहीं किया है ना.
उतना नहीं किया पर किया.
हाँ.
But
so हाँ, what I'm saying is कि कुछ तो किया है ना. उतना नहीं किया but कुछ तो किया है. इतनी बार पढ़ने के बाद, I don't know how many times we have read it together, but जितना भी किया है कुछ तो किया है ना. तो similarly अगर ये वाली बुक भी अगर एक बार अभी हम करते हैं, अगर आप 4-5 affirmations भी रोज की करना शुरू कर दोगे, you will find difference in your life.
Yes.
और ये भी बुक ऐसी नहीं है कि एक बार कर लिया तो आ जाएगी.
नहीं, इसको तो ज्यादा बार करना पड़ेगा उससे भी.
हाँ, क्योंकि अगर अपने आप आपको अपने ऊपर काम करना पड़ेगा तो आप नहीं करोगे. But अगर you are doing this book again and again and you are doing this practice again and again, that is what will give you that practice and plus you will make it a habit.
Yes.
तो एक बार में तो कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला, मतलब कुछ भी ना सेंस के मतलब okay, you will move from point A to maybe point A plus plus, but B तक नहीं पहुंचेंगे अभी हम. जितना हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तभी हम वो स्पेक्ट्रम पूरा कवर कर पाएंगे. अब वो पता नहीं इस लाइफ टाइम में कर भी पाएंगे कि नहीं, बट यस एफर्ट शुड बी देयर. जब इस जर्नी पे चले हैं, शुरू की है, तो कहीं ना कहीं तो पहुंचेंगे.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So thank you everybody and have a very good Bhai Dush today. अपनी बहनों के साथ, भाइयों के साथ खूब मस्ती करो, खूब सारा प्यार दो एक दूसरे को, and enjoy yourself, and we'll meet tomorrow. And I will share the video as well as the meditation. आज की meditation और कल की meditation दोनों बहुत अच्छी हैं. Meditation तो रोज की ही अच्छी होती है, but if you have not heard yesterday's, I mean day before yesterday's meditation also, जब भी time मिल जाए दिन में सुन लेना, and ये वाली भी रात को सोने से पहले जरूर सुन लेना, because whatever you will leave as the last thought in your subconscious mind before going to bed is what is going to get manifested slowly in your life.
In the morning.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
And how was your
Thank
Diwali,
you.
Pramila?
Good. I mean, it was very hectic. I would say, हमारे neighbors, you know, मिठाइयाँ लेके जा रहे हैं, हम लोग उनके पास लेके जा रहे हैं. So it was just going on. तो मेरी बेटी आई हुई है, you know, she's in a different state working. So she came this week, working from here only. तो बोल रही थी, मम्मी आप cancel कर दो class. Why are you attending it? I said, okay, I'm going to send a message. And then Vandana sent before me. I was about to send you the message, but then it happened, you know, both of us sent at the same time.
Yeah.
Because she wanted me to not to attend the class, because she said, you know, I'm here, you know, and you're attending on a Diwali Day class, you know.
No,
Now
I mean,
I
I also didn't realize that it will be Diwali night for you. And in fact, you should have, you know, pointed it out day before yesterday. Then I would have announced there only, you know, there and then only that we will not have the session on Diwali Day, post Diwali Day.
Yeah, I didn't want others to miss. I thought let others go on, you know, why they should miss because of me. So I said, okay, I'm not saying that.
But you could have just mentioned that it is going to be a Diwali night for you guys, because many times, no, it doesn't occur to me. So yesterday when we were just 2-3 of us, and then I said, let's not do it because you people are also not there. And even in India, like people on Diwali night stay up till late.
Very late,
yeah. So I said, chalo, koi baat nahi. Let's do it tomorrow. Yeah, bolo?
Yeah, one more thing, you know, after this meditation, generally, I am always in the sleep, you know, when the meditation is going on, my eyes are closed, I'm just sleeping on, it looks like. I hear it, but I'm closed, you know, like sleeping, half sleeping. So when I get up, I can't speak also because I'm in that meditative mood, right?
Yeah.
So I take little time to speak afterwards, right?
Yeah, it always happens because you get into alpha state, na? So coming back to the normal state takes time.
Takes time, yeah. I attend 2 classes in a week, so I feel the same every class. So this is wonderful.
Okay, great. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And I will see you tomorrow. And keep doing your mirror work. And easiest one, always keep remembering, and anytime you cross any mirror, just keep saying, I love you and I approve of you. और बाकी का जो सेशन में आया है आज के असाइनमेंट में, do those affirmations also. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.